Worried about your family's financial future? You're not alone. Managing money can feel overwhelming, but with a few simple steps, you can organize your finances and start saving smarter today. Whether you're planning for next month's bills or your kids' college fund, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Step 1 is all about budgeting. It's the foundation of financial organization. Without a solid budget, it's easy to lose track of where your money is going and end up overspending. Here's how to do it. Start by gathering all your financial information, including bank statements, bills, and receipts. First, track your income and expenses. This means noting down every source of income and every single expense, no matter how small. Write down everything that comes in and goes out. This will give you a clear picture of your financial situation. Search for apps that can make this super easy. They can automatically categorize your expenses and help you see where your money is going. Next, divide your expenses into categories. This helps you understand your spending habits better. Essentials like rent and groceries, savings and debt payments should be prioritized. And discretionary spending, think dining out or subscriptions. Then, set spending limits for each category to ensure you don't overspend. Use the 50-30-20 rule: 50% for needs, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or paying off debt, and 20% for savings. This rule helps you allocate your income efficiently. This helps you stay on track and avoid overspending. Regularly review and adjust your budget as needed to reflect changes in your financial situation. Next, let's talk savings, starting with an emergency fund. Why it's important? Life is unpredictable. A sudden car repair or medical bill shouldn't derail your finances. How to start: aim for 3 to 6 months of essential expenses. Even $20 a week adds up. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Think of it as a financial safety net for your family. Now let's look ahead. First, set clear and achievable financial goals. Whether it's a dream vacation, a new home, or college savings for your children, know exactly what you're working towards. Visualize your goals and keep them in sight. Next, use the right tools to manage your finances effectively. Open a 529 plan for education, which can help you save for your child's future, or look into retirement accounts like IRAs or 401 (KKS) to secure your retirement if based in the US or in Canada. Registered Retirement Savings Plan (RRSP), and a tax-free savings account (TFSA), or any good savings plan that is applicable in your country. And don't forget to review and adjust your plans regularly. Finances aren't set and forget. Check in monthly to make sure your budget and goals are on track. Regular reviews help you stay focused and make necessary adjustments. Organizing your family's finances doesn't have to be stressful. With a solid budget, an emergency fund, and clear goals, you're setting your family up for a brighter financial future. It's all about taking those first steps and being consistent. Start small and build from there. You've got this. Remember, every little bit counts and adds up over time. What's your top financial goal right now? Is it saving for a vacation, paying off debt, or maybe building an emergency fund? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working towards and how you plan to achieve it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical money tips. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay motivated and keep working towards your financial goals.